We're gonna start with the Vintago. So the vintage trend is kind of trendy. So we're also doing a vintage one, and it comes in 4 different styles. It's called, as I said, it's called Vintago, and it has a, let's say, like a 60s look kind of. It has at 3 o'clock. It has a date. It displays the date, and with a small dot, you can see the real date because it shows actually five dates in total. So you can see the last 2 days and the upcoming 2 days, and it's a 38 millimeter.
38 millimeters.
Yes, exactly. Diameter, and it comes for a super good price of €1,690. And as you can see, we have different dial colors. So it's from an opaline silver to an ivory white, and then blue and black.
And as far as I can see, it's also now it's 3D dial, because I can see there is one layer on the top, right?
It has,
in the middle.
Exactly. And it has it's a curved sapphire glass.
So it's also a new kind of shape for Meistersinger.
Because
last year we got this box glass for the Secularis. I don't know if you know the black one. But this is of course not a box glass really. It's really, normally you do this with crystal glass or even with plexiglass. So this is really.
And I also see the design of the hand is changed.
The hand is also put down at the end.
Exactly.
So it totally fits the form of the case. So it's also nice. It's a brushed finish. It's also new for us. So the crown is also a new crown for Meistersinger. It's also a new design. So at least.
And you have a couple of strap colors also too.
But it will be only
the strap is new. So I think it's also a new strap. So at least everything.
But it will be available only with weather straps, or it will be also some textile options as well?
The straps?
Yeah.
I think it comes with these straps, but you can actually always decide on whatever strap you like. So
change.
Basically we are introducing them this way, but if you wish to have another strap on it, we can do that.
I like that now there are some changes in the overall design of the dial, of the hand, because last year we were getting questions why the hand is really plain. There's no changes in the shape or something. So now it's something interesting. Will be available
as of April.
From April.
Yeah.
Okay.